Today is May 4, Monday, 5:54 in the morning. I'm just eating my breakfast / dinner since kakatapos lang ng shift ko. And I'm so hungry kasi yung last kain ko pa is mga 9 p.m. So I'm currently watching Arrested Development. Hi guys, today is 4:51 in the afternoon. My baby is asleep. Punta kami ng Robinsons yesterday kasi bumili kami ng mga gamit. And I got some books. So these books are actually second-hand. Mura ko lang siya actually nabili. This one is for 139 pesos. Yung pinakamahal sa kanila, this one, which is 149 pesos. I'm not so sure if those prices are okay na ba for a second-hand children's book. Pero kasi sobrang ganda pa rin ang quality niya. What I loved about this book, nung pagkakuha ko sa kanya, may dedication siya sa loob. Good, Jensen and Care, Happy Easter, Love the Easter Bunny. Halata talaga na yung binigyan nito is so loved and it makes me feel so warm inside. I'm actually looking for lalagyanan for his toys kasi medyo dumadami na yung mga toys na hindi ko na alam saan ilalagay. Pag ilalagay ko lang naman siya sa isang sulong, makalat siya tignan. Yan. Anyway, this is my goto. So this part is on. So ibisin na natin yung iba niya pang toys. Hi baby. Hello. Hi. It's Seb and Mommy. So today is my day off and to be honest, medyo tinatamad ako kumilos today. So now, I'm just going to play Crusader Kings 3. This was actually suggested by my friend and I'm very excited to play it. So I am going to play as Petty King. So I'm going to start tutorial. Yeah, I'm so excited. You are a medieval ruler. Your reign may be brief, but your heirs can bring your dynasty to prominence.